Hey guys, this is Alexis with Nationwide Property Liquidators, and I just wanted to share with you this new deal that we just got. It's 62 Travis Road, and it is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,900 square feet, and has a lot of potential. It's also sitting on half an acre. So as you walk in through the front door, you'll see the living room with a great fireplace with tons of potential, and then you'll go right here to a formal dining room, which will lead you right into the kitchen. The kitchen definitely needs some work, so it's definitely going to be a full rehab, but it's going to have a lot of potential. This will bring you to the breakfast nook, and this breakfast nook, it could be so cute if you just, touch up the walls, maybe get some new lights. And then we'll go right into the laundry room. So this is where you'll do most of your laundry. And then as we head out of there, we can go down this first hallway right here with the master suite. The master suite has a fireplace in it, so our fireplace is double-sided. And this will be kind of like an open area for you with a fireplace. And then we'll go through these double doors into our main area. On the right side of the area, you have your walk-in closet with tons of space, plenty of room for all your things. And then you'll go right into here, which is your master bathroom. You have a double sink vanity, a bathtub, a walk-in shower, and a bunch of potential for a very spacious bathroom with tons of storage. And then you're gonna walk out of your master bedroom, back into the living room, and down the hallway on the other side of the house, which is gonna have your other bedrooms and another bathroom. These bedrooms are also pretty spacious, and we have a good bathroom on this end. So on the left side of the hallway, you'll have your bathroom, which has plenty of room. And then as soon as you come out of the bathroom, you'll have a bedroom straight ahead with a decent sized closet, and needed some renovation, with a good window with a lot of light, natural light. And then as you leave that bedroom, on the other side, you'll have another spacious bedroom with a closet all the way in the corner. And the window is looking out on your half acre. Right here, you do have some neighbors. And then we will go back out to the living room, and that is pretty much the whole house.